Bullish Mobox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.08 and $4.54 by 2030. Market investigators accept Mbox could reach $2.08 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is 37 cents. Mobox presentation. As digital forms of money became standard, their applications have likewise moved past method for installment. One such application is the generally new non-fungible token. NFTs are one-of-a-kind computerized resources that only one individual can claim. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the rudiments of Mobox and let you know all that you want to be familiar with the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market fundamentally, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. In that capacity, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost expectation for other average digital currencies. The task that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that creates coins for the MOM an internet gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, some of the time known as an application coin or a client token, is an exceptional kind of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administrations. Accordingly, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the MOM metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with normal cryptographic forms of money. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and in this way have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost figure. What is a yield cultivating task? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital currency and benefiting through interest. In spite of the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the money has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive venture relies to a great extent upon the kind of cryptographic money being exchanged as well as the cost gauge. Mobox Essential Investigation. At first sent off in April 2021. Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Nonetheless, not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Mobox is based on the Binance Brilliant chain. The typical figure cost, greatest cost estimate, and Mobox cost increment are subsequently on a very basic level connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally settles on Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital currency decision, making it carbon nonpartisan. Mobox current cost. Mobox is at present worth 46 cents USD. Mbox has moved 0.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,655,777. Mobox is right now positioned 252 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $77,397,004 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mobox Value Expectation 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 69 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 64 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 55 cents. Mobox Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.16. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Mbox's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 92 cents and a typical exchanging cost of $1.02. Mobox Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.62 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.48 and a low of $1.39 in 2024. Mobox Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Mobox effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.08, with a base cost of $1.85 and a typical cost of $1.95. Mobox Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.41 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.32 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a most extreme value worth of $2.55. Mobox Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.87. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $3.01. Neglecting to assemble the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.78. Mobox Value Expectation 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.24 and a yearly cost close above $3.47 in 2028. Mobox Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.71 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.94, averaging out at $3.80. Mobox Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $4.54 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.35. And NFTs are as yet a generally new innovation. In this manner, it is challenging to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary speculations. Notwithstanding this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is at present a good market speculation. Until further notice, one can anticipate that Mobox should acquire financial backers and ubiquity in the future once metaverse